Good morning, children. On behalf of Jedkir International School, I welcome you all in this virtual class. Children, today we are going to study chapter 4. In that, the name of the chapter 4 is Our Environment. Yes, children. And the name of the topic is the 3 R's of conservation. Yes, children. What are the 3 R's of conservation? Today we are going to see that. Yes, the first one is reduce, second one is reuse, and the third one is recycle. Yes, children. So these are the 3 R's of conservation. Okay, children. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now, children, if you will see this slide, it is in your book also. If you are having your book, take out chapter 4. So you will understand it properly. The 3 R's of conservation, we can say, they are the reducing, reusing, recycling, help cut down the amount of wastage and conserve the environment. See, children, conservation means conserving the environment, means we are saving our environment by reducing, reusing, and recycling. Okay, so actually it cut down the amount of wastage and conserve the environment. Yes, children, if you can see in this picture, the 3 R's of conservation. Yes, that is reuse. Yes, reuse, reduce, and recycle. Okay, children. So first we are going to see about reduce. Okay, now we are going to see about reduce. Now what do you mean by reduce, and what are the examples of reduce? We can say, yes, we can say that reduce, we can reduce wastage by buying only what we require, children. Yes, so if we will reduce all this thing, definitely we will conserve the environment, children. So we can reduce wastage by buying only what we require. For example, children, we should take small amount of food in our plates to avoid wastage. As you can see in this picture, yes, we have to take small amount of food. See, you can see the 2 plates. Okay, in one plate, see, sometimes children, what happen, we like the food, so we eat as we think that we are very hungry and we can eat a lot. So you take it, or suppose if it is very tasty food, so we take it, and after some time we realize ki no, we can't eat that much, so that food, it get wastage, children. So you have to take the correct amount, or we can say small amount of food in your plate, okay, to avoid wastage, children. Yes, see, people are throwing half of the food in the garbage. Yes, so we can say that we are wasting the food. Yes, so if we are wasting the food, definitely we are not conserving our environment. See the picture. In this picture, you will understand that a man, he is riding a bicycle. In the next picture, if you will see, children, yes, green living with carpooling. See, children, it reduce the use of fuel and control air pollution. See, if we will ride a bicycle, and if we will use carpooling, then we will definitely reduce the use of fuel and control air pollution. We can reduce the use of fuel also, children, and control the pollution by carpooling and using bicycle, or also walking short distance. See, children, people are walking here. Okay, if some places are in a short distance, we can walk also. Okay, so now if you will see, you know that if when we ride a bicycle, or when we use a vehicle like bicycle for moving from one place to another, definitely we conserve the environment. Yes, children, we control air pollution. Now what do you mean by carpooling? The next picture, if you will see, the question comes in your mind that what do you mean by carpooling? See, children, in the picture you can see that yes, people are so many people are sitting in one car, and they are going to yes, to their workplace. So if some people, they are going every day, they are going to the same place, they are using carpooling. Okay, means it is a car which takes the set of people to the same place. Okay, same place you can say, or to the same place where every day they are going. So by using carpooling, what will happen? The air not get polluted. Yes, children, nowadays in metro city, if you will see, people are going from one place to another for their workplace. Okay, every day their schedule is that at 9 o'clock they are standing in the bus stand, or if they are having their own vehicle, they are going from to the same place. Okay, so at that time, you if you are using this carpooling, then what happens, children? See, there will be less air pollution. Yes, because four vehicle, instead of four vehicle, you are going in one vehicle only. So in you will see in metro cities, people are using this carpooling. Is it clear to everyone? And also, if you will see here, children, people, if you have to walk for a short distance, you can walk. No need to use any, yes, any vehicle. So we can say that you are also controlling the air pollution. Yes, children. If you will see the next picture, children, compost. Now, what do you mean by compost? Question comes in your mind that what do you mean by compost? Okay, so if you will see, children, decaying plant, if you have seen decaying plant material that is added to soil to improve its quality, if you will see the picture, you will understand it is what it is, decaying plant material. Okay, decaying means some material which we are not using, we are throwing, like cabbage, or we can say any leafy vegetables, some we are throwing it out. So some decaying plant material which is added to the soil to improve its you can say quality. Yes, we are also using, that is called compost, children. See, because of that, this decaying material, plant material, we can improve the quality of soil. Yes, children. So leaves left after we can say leaves which are left after for pruning, after pruning, or moving and vegetables, okay, fruits, peel can be used, you can say, to prepare compost. So whatever we are cutting the vegetables and the leafy part, we are throwing it out, pruning or moving and vegetables and peeling the fruits, you can say, we can compose that and we can use it for gardening. So this way you can reduce air pollution. Yes, children. See the next picture, turn off water taps when not in use. Yes, children, no need, if we are not using water, then turn off the water taps. Yes, children. Now the second part is reuse. Yes, children, it refer to using something again rather than throwing it away. Okay, for example, using the other side of printed document to do rough calculation, if you can see in the picture. See, sometimes we are using if the book is of no use or no use, we can say, if it is not having any space, so we are taking the next part and we are reusing it, using empty can as a flower vase or a pen holder. See here, flower, R spelling is missing, so correct that. Okay, so flower, we are using can, empty can. Yes, children, by using empty can, we can say that we are making flower vase. See, with this vase, it is made from bottles, yeah, green bottles we are having. Okay, so the can which we are of no use, then we are making pen holder and what, flower vase. Okay, children, paper bags from old newspaper, if you can see, old newspaper, we can make paper bags. See, yes, and then also old cloth bags. See, the old cloth, from that we can make bags also. See, like this, so we can reuse it. Now recycle, see, using waste material to make new item is called recycling. Okay, whatever waste material is there, and if we are making it from it, we are making the new material, then it is called recycling. For example, children, we can make combs and other plastic products from recycled plastic bottles. Yes, children, you can see in the picture, recycle plastic bottles. See, this plastic bottle which is not in use, it is a waste material. From that we can make new comb. Yes, children, we can make comb from it. Yes, so understood, we can make comb and other plastic product from recycled plastic bottle. So from this plastic bottle which is not in use, we recycle it. Recycle it means we use it to make some new things. Okay, children. Then if you can see, what is this, children? Yes, this is jute, children. Okay, we can create many art and craft item by using recycled material like jute. Okay, so this is recycled material, that is the jute. See, recycled material like jute, we can make a lot of things from it. So if you can see this, yes, from it we make a beautiful doll. Yes, see the bottle, it is used with the help of jute we make one beautiful, you can say, art and craft material. Yes, now children, care for environment. So the 3 R's of conservation are the things that we need to do, conserve our environment. Okay, so the 3 R's are what, children? Yes, reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, so however, we should not only conserve the environment but also keep it clean and care for it. There are many public places like park, road, marketplaces and bus stand that we visit daily, children. These places are also a part of our environment, which we studied in the previous video, children. Let us learn how to care for the environment and maintain hygiene and cleanliness in our surrounding. So children, do not litter your surrounding by throwing waste in the open. Throw waste on only in waste bins, which we studied in the previous video, children, that we have to throw the waste in the dustbin only. Do not spit on or urinate in open area or public places. People are spitting, yes, on in an open or public places. So warn them, they can't spit anywhere or urinate also. So we are having public bathroom also, so they have to urinate in that place, not anywhere. Okay, so do not pluck leaves and flowers. All these things I taught you. Yes, in the previous video we have seen, don't pluck leaves and flowers in the parks or stamp on young plants in parks. Okay, do not scratch on tree trunks or damage them. Okay, like people are doing, they are damaging the trees. So no, do not damage any public property like benches, swings, seesaw and slide in park. We can see ना swings. तो हमारा खेलना हो गया तो हम जिस झूले में बैठे थे वो हम तोड़ के चले जाएंगे? नो, यू कांट डैमेज दैट. आप जहाँ पे बेंच पे बैठते हो उस पर आप कुछ भी लिखोगे? नो, यू कांट डू दैट. ओके, डू नॉट पेस्ट पोस्टर और डिफेस द वॉल्स ऑफ फ्लाईओवर्स, बस स्टैंड्स. गवर्नमेंट, सी बस स्टैंड, फ्लाईओवर, ये चीज़ें हैं, ये गवर्नमेंट ने बनाई है. किसके लिए? हमारे लिए. सो हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह बहुत फास्ट और आराम से जा सकते. और अगर हम वहाँ पे पोस्टर लगाते हैं, दीवारों पे पोस्टर लगाते हैं, पब्लिक प्लेसेस पे, कोई प्राइवेट बिल्डिंग पे पोस्टर लगाते हैं, तो ये अच्छी आदत है? नो, इट इज़ अ बैड मैनर, चिल्ड्रेन. सो डोंट डू ऑल सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. वी हैव टू केयर फॉर आवर एनवायरमेंट ऑल्सो, चिल्ड्रेन. सो टुडे व्हाट वी लर्न? येस, वी लर्न द 3 R's ऑफ yes environment, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. एंड उससे हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं वो भी हमने देखा है. उसके बाद हाउ वी हैव टू केयर फॉर आवर एनवायरमेंट. यू शुड नो हाउ वी कैन केयर आवर एनवायरमेंट. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वॉट एवर आई taught you in this, yes, what I can say in this video. Thank you so much.